Bumano logyo te Montri Bokrok by Malaikha. Hastini Kasa Montreokra te Tabukni Lokshupani MP Biplab Kumar de. Montri Bokrok Narendra Modi by Malay Belaikeno Swrangchati MP Biplab Kumar de. Montri Bokrok by Malay Mania. Social media wo post klaika MP Biplab Kumar de. Social media wo fayi boshika. Tini ni shalo Bini bagai Belaikeno Kong Chukjagnai ko. Bumano te Montri Bokrok Narendra Modi Malay Mankha. Jefruno Montri Bokrok Narendra Modi by Malayo Afruno Hakotorno Hamzak Hakotoni Lukurogno Hamzakna Hakotoni bagai Hastini bag Shamung Klainet Kawo Fan Mano Montri Bokrok by Malay Burumburu Shakno Puito Sanan Fan Man Mani Ha Angai Fayo Montri Bokrok Bobai Malay Mani bagai Bob Belaik Swrangchati
Khulumka Hasani Lukurangno, Nogni Bagai, Belekino Kaham Sep to be Feka, St. Joseph Hospital, West Novadi, Amtali Agartala, West Tripura. Hasane Fatara Thaya Karino, Hayung Berni Shakdog Nakani Sep Nahari Mano, Belekino Rankisha Bino, or Hospitalo, Sarbrumno, General OPDO, Sakdog Najago, or Hospitalo, X-ray, Key, Suti, Cough Test, Clearly Bagay Namoshak Shep Shap Tongo, they test Cry Rizago. O hospital hati bar thagino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abo shimia o St. Joseph Hospital talburum na Chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital latest technology by dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai faidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana nimusung khake eba tebashina musung khake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokdok number 708525670 tekise kokdok number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala, is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital lokin sulai oro kisha rangbaino kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of haye visit khalaimano hambai